Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can set password on Google Drive file or folder. So in order to set password on Google Drive files or folder, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. The first thing is you have to go ahead and open up a browser. On the search box, type in drive.google.com and that's going to take you to their Drive page, and right on this page you have to go ahead and tap the new button from the top left hand side corner of the screen, and then you need to go to Google Forms, and here you have this untitled form. So first thing, you have to erase the untitled form and you need to type in locked folders or give a name to it, and as per the description you can type in whatever you want to set it as. And after that, you need to go and select option 1. So once you've done with this procedure, such as writing what sort of thing you actually want to set it as a password and then customizing all of these, after you're done completed with this procedure, go to settings from the top, and here you need to go to presentation, and then you need to go ahead and select confirmation message, tap the edit button. So as per the confirmation message, here you need to go ahead and paste in the link of the particular folder that you wish to lock. So in my case, I'm going to go with, let's see, this is the one. Tap the three dot icon. You can just go ahead and tap the share button and then copy the link. Once done copying the link, give a space and then type in the information or the link and click on save. After you're done with this procedure, click the send button located in the top right hand side and enter in the email address of the user that you wish to send it, and include email if you wish to do it so, and click the send button. As soon as you do that, you've successfully locked your files or folder on Google Drive. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.